ask some questions as well. Okay, so can I have a lovely round of applause, please?
Visit your school. My name is Qaisra Shahraz, and I'm from the UK, from Manchester, and I've been travelling on a tour. We call it Macfest Heritage Tour, and I'll explain about Macfest in a bit. You can see something there to do with Macfest. You can see something there to do with Macfest. So this tour I'm on is to do with Macfest. We call it Macfest Heritage Tour. We take people from around the world to come and visit places in different countries. Many, many years ago. So I was still learning the language. And as soon as I managed to master English, I loved books. Do you love reading books?
Yes.
Books, yes? Don't point to each other. All of you should be saying, we love books. Go on. Do you love books?
Yes.
Oh, wow. At the age of 15, I fell in love with books, especially literature and the other people, the world she creates, and Thomas Hardy. In particular, Thomas Hardy, because if you ever get a chance to read my novels, I seem to be fascinated by country life, rural life, people living in small villages. And this is the big irony here. I said earlier, I come from Pakistan, and I've always lived in cities, even when I was in Pakistan. And of course, then I've lived all my life in Manchester. So why am I writing about village life in Pakistan, you might say? I just became fascinated by village life, and I really felt at home in my books in village life. And I think part of that was to do with Thomas Hardy. In two lives, I was living in two worlds. There were two of everything almost. Two sets of clothing. At home, I wore chain and shalwar kameez, that was my world, Pakistani clothes. Outside was a pair of jeans and Western clothing. Outside I'll have fish and chips. At home I have my salad, roti, curry and chapatis. And outside I spoke English. At home I spoke Urdu and Punjabi with my parents. It was a typical life like many other migrants, and I'm sure you do the same. And I was fascinated by this double life we led, and we did it so seamlessly. So I used that experience as a migrant woman to explore different themes. Temporarily transported to another time and place. He still kept his bedroll, canvas bag in his garage in England, never having had the heart to throw it away. Too many poignant memories were attached to it. The frayed brown leather suitcase stuffed with all of his important documents, including his British nationality, was still kept under his bed. There are special moments etched on people's minds. For Samir, it was the one of him pathetically lugging a big bedroll and a large suitcase from Victoria Coach Station through the streets of London, a memory he found deeply mortifying to this day. Money coming through. Then, at the age of 42, people were calling me in other countries to give lectures in Germany, in Indonesia, in Turkey. But if you're working full-time, you can't take time anytime. What do I think of? Oh, the ideas, I pick them up everywhere. I don't have time to go. Sometimes they come visiting places, or the theme like Partition in Pakistan, I use it there and then. We host a youth festival, and part of that we have panels, poetry panel, art panel, culture panel, and the environment panel. I've invited your teacher to nominate someone for next year to one of the panels. So you're sitting here in Qatar, we'll be sitting in Manchester, and you can take part with other students from around the world. So look up Macfest, find out more about it.
My name is Riza, and I'm a Pakistani Muslim, and today I've met with Qaisra Shahraz, and I'm really happy to meet her, and I really find her story very inspiring, and the message of Macfest is also very, very motivating and inspiring.
Thank you.
My name is Chi, and I'm from Malaysia, and I'm very happy to have met Qaisra Shahraz, and I found her story of like the holy woman and like the poetry really intriguing, and I love the messages she spread and the harmony she wants.
Thank you.
Would you like to? Yeah.
Do you want to say something?
Yeah. I'm also a writer. Especially like a pair of jeans, like double life.
Ah, thank you.
I am Typhoon. I'm also Pakistani, and I think that her stories are really inspiring, especially for younger kids and the younger generation like us, because we need to learn how to work together and to be able to, join together and respect each other's faiths and culture and everything like that.
My name is Eleonora and I'm from Italy. And I think that Qaisra's messages are so relevant and relatable today.